Question number 8. Langvir Nritya is a folk dance from the state of? Answer is C. Question number 2. The minimum rate below which banks are not allowed to lend money, except in cases specified by the Reserve Bank of India is called? Answer is D. Question number 3. Ustad Zia Mohiuddin Dagar was a player of profound depth, favoring spars and slow realizations of ragas. Answer is D. Question number 4. Harela is a festival of greenery, peace, prosperity and environmental conservation, primarily celebrated in which of the following states? Answer is C. Question number 5. The Lucknow Gharana, which came into existence in the time of Wajid Ali Shah, was developed by who among the following? Answer is C. Question number 6. In hockey, if the umpire indicates the direction with one arm raised horizontally, it means? Answer is D. Question number 7. Who among the following sultans framed a series of regulations to weaken the power of nobles? Answer is C. Question number 8. Who among the following freedom fighters hoisted the Indian flag at the Gowalia Tank Maidan in Mumbai during the Quit India movement? Answer is A. Question number 9. In which of the following regions is the tropical evergreen forests found in India? Answer is B. Question number 10. National Urban Livelihood Mission, NULM, was launched in which of the following 5-year plans? Answer is A. Question number 11. Which protein is found in grains? Answer is A. Question number 12. Who among the following was given the charge of looking after the imperial household during the Mughal administration? Answer is A. Question number 13. Which part of the Indian Constitution provides for the Union Public Service Commission? Answer is C. Question number 14. In basketball, what can be the maximum number of points that can be scored in a shot? Answer is B. Question number 15. In which state of India was the Niru Miru program introduced for construction of water harvesting structures? Answer is B. Question number 16. Match list I. Name of the composition with list 2, writer. Answer is B. Question number 17. Which musical instrument Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, used to play? Answer is C. Question number 18. The largest inland salt lake Sambhar is located in the of India. Answer is B. Question number 19. Which of the following years were considered planned holidays in independent India? Answer is C. Question number 20. The property by virtue of which carbon can form a CC covalent bond is called. Answer is D. Question number 21. In the right-hand thumb rule, the thumb is directed towards the direction of. Answer is A. Question number 22. The district of Shivmoga, that is famous for its iron ore and manganese mineral, is located in which state of India? Answer is A. Question number 23. Where was the first headquarters of the Theosophical Society established in India? Answer is B. Question number 24. Who is the author of the book A Life Misspent? Answer is B. Question number 25. India's 1 cent vertical lift rail bridge has been built in which state? Answer is D.